Didi, you said that we need an operating system to work on the programs in a computer. Can you tell me more about operating systems?
Sure, Rohan. Let's discuss more about operating systems. Operating system is a program that helps us interact with other computer programs, and computer is useless without an operating system. The operating system works as an interface between the user and computer. All other programs need operating system to start them, but the operating system starts by itself. The operating system starts the computer automatically when power is turned on. The major functions of the operating system are: it controls and coordinates the operation of a computer, it eases the interaction between you and the computer, it controls input and output devices, it controls execution of computer programs, it manages the use of the main memory of computer, it helps you to manage and manipulate files. The operating system can be classified into two types: character user interface and graphical user interface. Let us discuss one by one about them. Character user interface does not have any icons or images. It works using only text and characters. We can perform tasks on CUI by giving commands in text such as rename CLS, CD, MD and dir or directory. An example of CUI is the disk operating system. A graphical user interface has background picture as well as many icons. Examples of GUI are Windows XP, Windows NT, Windows 7 and Ubuntu. The GUI can be further classified into proprietary software and free or open source software. Proprietary software is a computer software type which is licensed under exclusive legal right of the copyright holder. The usage of proprietary software requires licensing with a free attached and can be used only with a registered license. The user is not allowed to modify, share, study, and redistribute them. The most common type of proprietary software is Microsoft, Apple Inc., IBM operating systems, and Unisys. Free or open source software is software which can be downloaded by the user from the internet free of cost. It is provided under an open source license that allows the user to modify, improve, and distribute the software freely. However, the changes cannot be copyrighted. The most common type of open source software is Unix, Linux, Aurora UX, and OpenSolaris. Let's learn about Microsoft Windows, which is one of the most popular operating systems.
Oh yes, I have heard so much about Microsoft Windows.
Microsoft Windows is a series of graphical interface operating systems developed, marketed, and sold by Microsoft. Most of the computers that we use come with pre-installed operating system of Microsoft Windows. In case you have a computer system without the Windows operating system, you can buy a licensed software from an authentic seller of the software. An alternative method of obtaining the software could be through online websites such as Microsoft's website. The GUI interface helps you to use programs and keep them organized. Windows are a WYSIWYG type of GUI, which means what you see is what you get. If the operating system in your computer is Windows, the first screen that appears after switching on your computer is the desktop. You can use the Windows desktop to keep all the applications and utilities organized in the computer. The desktop is divided into two areas: main area or the desktop and the taskbar. The narrow strip at the bottom is called the taskbar. The taskbar contains a start button that you can use to access all the programs of the computer. The desktop has a background, which is called wallpaper. The first screen that you get when you start and log on to your computer is called desktop. The small pictures on the desktop are called desktop icons. These icons represent shortcuts for files, programs, and folders which could be quickly and easily accessed. The horizontal bar at the very bottom of the screen is called the taskbar. The taskbar contains many icons and shortcuts. The taskbar displays all the running applications and programs as icons. It also helps you access many applications and programs in the computer through these icons. The taskbar provides an easy way to switch between multiple programs running on the computer. If a number of applications are running and there is not enough space available on the taskbar to keep all the icons, then similar types of icons can also be grouped together. Through the Start button, you can access programs and other system utilities. The control panel in the Start menu is used to change various hardware and software settings in your computer. The Help and Support menu item in the Start menu is used to get any help needed while working with Windows. With the help of Start menu, you can shut down, log off, or restart the computer with just a click. You can also change the time and date of the system by these steps. First, click on the date and time present on the right side of the taskbar. After this, a clock and a calendar appear. Then, click on the Change Date and Time Settings link. After that, click on the Change Date and Time button. Then, Set Date and Time. Click OK to save changes and return to the Date and Time dialog box. Click OK on the Date and Time dialog box to save changes and close the dialog box.